Today's computer models factor in these feedback loops, making them even more accurate than before.
We have a much better understanding than we did 10 or 20 years ago. And that case can be made, it's ironclad, really.
All over the world, computer models are now saying the same thing. Global warming is real. The planet will continue to warm.
99.9% of scientists say that we basically understand what's going on.
The science is overwhelming.
The science is overwhelming.
On the ground, scientists are now seeing with their own eyes the very changes forecasted by computers.
I was very surprised to see that the models were predicting very dry vegetation replacing on a permanent basis the Amazon rainforest. I think my first response to seeing those maps was one of fear. It's like, good grief, this thing is much bigger than I thought it was.
And Dr. Jim Hansen has yet another prediction, one that could spell disaster for millions of species across the globe.
If you look at the history of the Earth, there have been 5 or 6 mass extinction events. And what were those associated with? Large climate changes.
Four degrees. It may not seem like a significant rise in temperature, but remember, you need only to look at the Earth's past to see what a difference a few degrees can make.
We're taking the warming that occurred as Earth came out of its last great ice age, which was about 5 to 9 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're threatening to telescope it all into a century instead of several thousand years.
Many scientists believe that temperatures are rising so fast